Welcome to OneSurvey, where task management meets innovation, driving productivity and profitability in your projects. In OneSurvey, tasks are clearly categorized as open, completed, or closed, providing a visual roadmap of your project's progress. This clarity not only organizes work, but also ensures efficiency and effectiveness in every task. Creating tasks is simple yet impactful. Assign tasks to team members, set deadlines, and watch as your team's focus and planning skills lead to a more efficient workflow. This streamlined process reduces time wastage and operational costs, directly enhancing your bottom line. But there's more. OneSurvey's built-in communication tools revolutionize team collaboration. By centralizing task-related communication, we cut down on unnecessary emails and meetings, saving time and reducing misunderstandings. Productivity is central to OneSurvey. Clear tasks and deadlines enable effective work planning and progress tracking, ensuring projects are completed on time and within budget. For managers, OneSurvey simplifies task delegation and tracking. Stay on top of project progress, make timely interventions, and avoid costly delays and reworks. Our cloud-based platform offers unparalleled flexibility. Access important project information anytime, anywhere, which is crucial in today's dynamic work environments. And as your business grows, so does OneSurvey. Its scalable nature accommodates larger projects and complex workflows without adding administrative burden. In summary, OneSurvey transforms your task management, streamlining your workflow, and driving your business towards greater efficiency and profitability. Join us in revolutionizing project management.